Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick guide on how to send TRX from Revolut to XMO in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tron cryptocurrency seamlessly, you're in the right place. TRX is a popular digital asset, and transferring it between platforms like Revolut and XMO can be straightforward with the right steps. But remember, always double-check for any updates in fees or policies, as crypto rules can change. First, ensure you have TRX in your Revolut account. If not, buy some directly through the app or transfer from another wallet. Once you're ready, open the Revolut app on your phone and log in securely. Step 1. Head to the Crypto section in the app. This is usually at the bottom of your screen. Tap it to see your holdings. Step 2. Select your TRX balance from the list of cryptocurrencies. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Go ahead and choose that. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details. You'll need the XMO wallet address for TRX. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your funds forever. Step 4. Input the amount of TRX you want to send. Revolut will show you any fees up front, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Make sure you have enough TRX to cover both the transfer amount and fees. Step 5. Review and confirm the transaction. You'll get a summary screen. Read it carefully, then hit confirm. Revolut might require additional verification, like a PIN or biometric auth, for security. Once sent, the transaction should process quickly, but it can take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Head over to your XMO account to confirm the deposit. A quick tip. Always use secure networks when handling crypto, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.